Jumuliro Ndizi TV na ndinechinga kichabe ngukwara ni asemeza ya mangana mayeri ngoma nyina alegende gwateka ime na isiko ya Gusii ekerorire ritko ligi ya ria chumaine chitariki 15 ne momo tino yoga 5 mwaka 2023 nogosemerikwana nigo endete gutwara ritko liago ligi ya nekroria sukiriri ikire Chinsa Isano Ibere chiabono mubaso no kuboli na ikaranso ikendo manyana alegende gwateka ime na isiko ya Gusii abune chingongo nye chenze iria nyimo chasugusu amo nabosongo na mange agenda gukorekana ime na isiko ya Gusii ase county area asinigishu nigobono chinyagitari chonse bichi uchikobekerwa CCTV erinde kwenekya na kyobokori bokorekana ase chi county gose asobokoranga bokorekana ase nyagitari echo asensemeri yekyombekeri getenerete kwena na mariogo ya Kemsa nigobono ababisa bobochenu banyarire bakomerana n'umunyakerobo bwenseme yanene kurireria amarago na machikalia kobekweri kwene kibine kyombeke korakere egasi yauya wega kwenda ase county area Bungoma nigobono Yesu watongeren anyarire gakobwatokwa nekambiro magaga yogotogekana na tabwati machodinde lyonse aranyare gakogambiwa korengana ne dini yae ase enseme yase county ya Kisii nelibono buno mugavana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati nigo akanigwe asegeka ne koti buna tarigo chikochora e body ende yobokoreri ase county eyo ayungati yali amanga ganda korekana imene isiko ya Gusingo kubolyo benenje go ikomwelyo garoto kubatira na bigari nyanja makwena kunago chiri gwetera seriogi amone chibicha eriane Brighton Makori. Aye Chinsa Isano Ibere njaka kurwa sensemeri ya Masige West ya Sibono abasa banyarire bakoborirwa weso ya sigiskuru jobo bundi anene kwegenderia boigo nigobono munyakirugo we skuru yobo bundi ya Orogare yigotoka se ewodi ya Masige West asebunge ya ubasi anyarire gakobori abebori osira abana babo iri kwegenderia ase amasomo kaukwana ni gaderina enchere yamo oranyore gokwa omwana ebisubya ngyo nelina goikomure skuru nande omwa ebiri bitakeire linde anyarega kugendera na masomae
okara sakari aso omwana so ko motugoro kuna na bari mo criticize let me tell you are bound to lose so please Bible bani Tabata kami tete asawa na baitu. Tua kane fish plum tree. The basics. Pulu mwana te keko nyor. Food, protein, and the shelter. We kama koreki. We kama provide so that umwana ko in the school. Anyo rambo time. Alo somera. Egere na jekoba. Umweshimengwa. Orusyo.
Geroto gosukabozio ebengi ya Equity nigobono ya nyarire kyo kwanda bokorari baye bakora n'umutenerio monene webengi yo James Mwangi anene asomoroberio bakoreta kotali niganyarire ka hodeba na kebengi ya nyarire kyo goro bokorari baye ase yagure na ase imukereire igoro.
Targeted 20 to 25 we are 23 net interest margin. That is where the challenge is. Interest expense growing faster than interest income, or cost of deposit growing faster than what we are earning on loans. That is the only number that is of concern. Very little we can do is a economic shock. We are at the height of the storm. We know the storm will start easing and that number will correct. Non-funded, we were targeting between 40 and 43. We're at 45. The quality of earnings have changed. Cost-income ratio, we are targeting up to 45. We saw we have slipped. We know why we have slipped, and we'll be able to return on equity. We were focusing 25 to 30. We are mid of that target, 27.7, and return on assets, we were targeting 3.6 to 4. Or 0.3, we are 3.5. Cost of risk, we were targeting 1 to 1.5. We are at 1.9. We can adjust by 0.6 because of translation effect of currencies. So we are not worried about our cost of risk.
Ekero umurai bwense Dr. William Ruto agenderera gusingirira bune serikali nigera jikuruzie bango abakora imirimo be serikali anene 3% ya samangana affordable housing nigo bono abarai babakori emirimo anene bali kurwa sekiombe kianati na kubeti kurwa sensemo ya Homabay banyarire bagukana ing'ani iyo ase bono bamoteire umurai bwense buna barabo nigo betiganire kurwa samatuka maiga baikire kuyagakira chinyomba igakubanaja chibese ende chinyomba chikwagajwa nigo erabe asare nene gochia sibale nande mbago chiwanja ing'ani iyo kolengana barabo mbamenyeti isko.
That all the teachers of Homabay County who subscribe to the Kenya National Union of Teachers have built their houses from loans taken from commercial banks and SACCOs. The loans will be deducted up to teachers' retirements. We have houses with our desired specifications, and in this respect, the teachers reject this bill. That the teachers are currently earning only a third of their salaries, and any other deductions will cause them pecuniary embarrassment as they will not be able to meet their daily needs. Of course, this bill stands rejected. Number 4, that the bill did not go through public participation to ascertain the needs of the teachers in order of priority, as some teachers have prioritized education of their children and significant others. On behalf of our teachers, this bill is the rejected tool.
Eng'ana bune yo nigo yairwo koboko na Tom Mboya oyoro moriki bwekiombe ky'abakora imirimo korwa ensemo ya Homabay asenera tebruna eng'ana yo komente bango no komentera ABAKENYA emesige menene boigo asukunaja abali babakora imirimo ebese yabo mbaguji gutwara kende yonsi anekero barengete buna chibese bagutumekaniyo bagosomeria abana babo agakora imirobiri yabo ekyagera chibese bakunajwa goikabono nchirororo igono ene basiri byabo baendere kunachwa nigo baraendeka na magokamasa.
It is very painful for us as government workers that we are compelled to pay 3% as it was put through the press, that we are supposed to be deducted 3% for the housing project, which to me, I don't think that is a priority of our members. So I want to condemn that and to join other counties in talking against the planned deduction on government employees' payslip. Government workers are overburdened, and right now we are having very meager net remaining out of the gross salary that we are paid. After deductions, we are remaining with something that if the 3% is taken away from it, then we are going to suffer.
Ase jinga kieche jumboya nigo bona bodire serikali gochinche birengerere ebyo gose gotiga ABAKENYA bali bakora emirimo ya serikali kuruchi bese ejo asowanja korengana nere nigatena ABAKENYA mokanyo ndeyo orure birengerere byaja igoro yenibeyo ane ekero esintu gikimanyekana na public participation Kenya tirakora go ikaboniga ABAKENYA go ikaba igwe birengerere bya go ikaba iguribaga kure birengerere byabo igoro yokurusiwa ebango.
I'm appealing to the government to consider that intention of taking 3% from our payslip. Again, another thing that I want to say categorically, if they want us to remit the 3%, then it should be optional. They should have a talk with the civil servants. They call us for a public participation. Then we also know the benefit that is in that 3%, so that it is done out of our consent. But the way it is now coming, it is like now, it is another tax, usuru again. So we don't want that, and our members are against it, and we don't expect it to be in our pay slip. If they force it to be in our pay slip, then the next action that we shall take is to start, to call for picketing, thereafter followed by a very big strike.
Nigoto kwenda se county ya Garissa sebono mogumeni urebugwe county yu Amina Siati anyarireka kobolia bamenyi bensemo ya Garissa wesokya na kwena na manyinga go yasinyagitali awa sensemeyo bunenchere yamo yogosira obokorari bw'ikinyagitali ekera manyinga akubura.
A lot of mothers who have who need blood transfusions, and the bank at the hospital is dry. So as a community, as people of Garissa County, we decided through the foundation, I have an NGO that worked here for the last 10 years, and through the foundation we decided that we donate blood as usual. We donate blood every year, twice. Every 6 months, half year, we donate, the next we donate the other one. So now it's time to donate and give back to the community, and we are gathered here to do so. We have other partners. Garissa County as a government is a partner in this. The General Hospital and the doctors are on board and are partners to this. And we have youth who are used to doing these donations regularly, who are here with us. We also have St. John's Ambulance, thanks to them, who provide a band and take part of the blood donation or blood drive.
Kuruase county ya Garissa nigoto kwenda wikase county ya Nandi asebona bobisa bobochenu asenseme ibabekire mirubiri nero yogosira bochenu anene kwene kya bunana kyo bochenu bogosirwa se county eyu.
What we've discussed here with community health volunteers, community health workers, and all the partners is the approach and also sensitization on the type of food we eat, and above all, the mode of cooking and combination. In Nandi, we've seen we are taking a lot of carbohydrates without proteins, and this is a county that is endowed with the resources. Climatic condition is favoring us to produce food. It's favoring us in terms of livestock production and agricultural production. So it is a matter of sensitizing our people on a right way of cooking, the type of food we eat, and we will improve these indicators. We are happy as a Department of Health because the baseline survey for 2014 indicated that stunting was at around 29%, but through the measures we've put in place, mitigation measures we've put in place as a department, together with the partners, we've reduced this to 15.1% in a span of 3 years. Going to the future, we will like to reduce this further to a single-digit percent, less than 8, within the next 3 years. And to do this, we've increased the budget allocation.
Ayubono naruna kwarianiaze jinse jiga kolende nyina chikoroga chinsa ikomini jikoira naiga ngoma inara ya ndada wataka imena isiko ya usi no kuboli kwa naiga ndra kuliri and Steve ne robo ansumusi ende we manya mange bana ndada wataka imena isiko ya usi eriane Brighton Makori.